name is Mark. And welcome.
Dito ka naman.
Welcome for my show, dedicated for YouTube and
For all the people.
all the people of all the country
Of the
in
world.
America and all over the world. And this is my song.
Please watch me.
Which
Please watch me
what's me?
on the YouTube. Ayan na.
I just stay and to be the places.
Press Lawrence.
On this road, this freeway, I used to you just as we surrender. I was longing to this moment forever. And knowing others where you be, that's the moment I forever. Woo! I don't wanna close your eyes. I wanna close the beat or some mess you made. And I don't wanna resurvey those little people. Yes! Those little bit of mad with you I so miss to make. And I don't wanna resurvey. I did goes to you, and then you sweet surrender. But this moment, you, this moment, forever. And when they close your eyes, and not my head to head now, it's more than despair. You feel busy moment I stress. So yeah, Father, I wanna close your eyes. I wanna know supposed to be but sadness you wait. And I don't know wish you pain. Those will be the girlfriend. Those will be the never you. I so miss you, babe. And I don't know wish you pain. Close your smile. I don't wanna guess your name. As mama to be the real, my real, yeah, and that's my friend. I just wanna pour this close. I burn it on the close your eyes. When I smoke in the river, in the rest you smile. Ay, ay, ay. I wanna close my eyes. I wanna close to be but sadness you make. And I don't know wish you pay. Those will be the kids. Those will be the never you. I so miss you, babe. And I don't know wish you pay. I wanna close your eyes. I'm wanting close to me for some kiss you made. And I don't know wish you made. Those little those little dirty there, but you miss you day. And I don't wanna wish you made. I wanna close your eyes. I wanna close to me for some kiss you made. And I don't know wish you made. Those little bedroom on a place you made. And I don't know wish you made.
Forma. Yan. Sa may baba, yung kamay.
Score.
Sa may baba, yung kamay.
Papalang ba yan?
Yan, forma.
Knockdown.